Matalam Municipality takes its name from a former provincial governor, Datu Udtog Matalam, which in turn, the word Matalam means weaponry or arms in Magindanaon.
Di ko malimutan ang iyong mga larawan at ang iyong laman. Ika'y pangarap ko sa tuwina, lagi kang laman ng isip. Ikaw ang isang tibok, yaring dibdib. At kahit na anong mangyari, ikaw pa rin. Wala akong ibang iibigin. Say! Lulubog, lilitaw ang buwan at araw. Patuloy pang lalakad ang panahon. Ako'y magmamahal sa'yo, hindi ito magbabago. Pag-ibig ko'y laging lamang sa'yo. Minamahal, minamahal kita. Lagi kong hinahanap yakap mo ng sarap at ang iyong mga mata nangungusap. At pag ikaw ay kapiling, nalilimot ang sarili. Sana'y huwag nang matapos ang gabi. Mama say, ma! Lulubog patuloy pang lalakad ang panahon. Ako'y magmamahal sa'yo, hindi ito magbabago. Pag-ibig ko'y laging daan lamang sa'yo. Minamahal, minamahal kita. Lulubog, lilitaw ang buwan at araw. Patuloy pang lalakad ang panahon. Ako'y
The municipality of Matalam, before its creation into a regular municipality, was just a mere sitio of Kilada called Crucing Malang, within the jurisdiction of the municipality of Cabacan. Matalam is one of the first 5 daughter municipalities of Kidapawan. It was formed through Executive Order No. 461 issued by President Carlos P. Garcia on December 29, 1986, within the western territory of Kidapawan, being taken and merged with that from Lang, another daughter town and Cabacan. The creation caused by splitting the village of Patadan into 2. With this creation, Kidapawan, Cabacan, and neighbored since pre-colonial era were cut off. Matalam is a palm-shaped municipality. It is centrally located right at the heart of the province of Cotabato. It is bounded on the east by the municipality of Kidapawan, on the west by Cabacan, on the south by Mlang, and on the north by the municipalities of President Roxas and Carmen. It lies along the Cotabato-Davao National Highway, occupying the large portion of Arakan Valley. Matalam is politically subdivided into 34 barangays. Each barangay consists of purok, while some have sitios. The Alimujan, Arakan, Bangbang, Central Malamuti, Estado, Cabulacan, Kibia, Kibudok, and others barangays. On December 29, 1961, Garcia creating Matalam as the 32nd municipality of Cotabato Empire. This municipality was named after the late illustrator father of the province, Honorable Governor Dato Matalam, in acknowledgement of his untiring efforts for the developments and creation of the place.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.